So we are approaching the 42 North. On this lorry. Why mother? Why mother?
Brown biker, yeah, na 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 na. Ooh. This is a brown biker, brown rider. Give your bike a rev, then put down your visor. Yeah.
We're outside again. Yaga yo, yaga yo, yaga yo. We're outside again. And yes, family tree, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And yeah man, today we're just going to have a little fly down the motorway, just maybe a junction or two, you know. But yeah man, today's been a bit of a weird one man. As I've come up Coventry Road, I've seen bare people getting stopped by undercover policemen. It's crazy. Unfortunately, didn't get it all. Unfortunately, didn't get any of it on camera to us. You know how it goes, man. Like things go on, and I don't catch it. So yeah, family. Sorry about the uploads and that, man, and a bit of the inconsistency because. Imagine the other day, was it last Monday? Came out, I was meant to come and do some footage. I went to the gym first, and lo and behold, I opened up my finger, fully opened it up in the gym. Don't ask how I did it. It was just long, innit? It was just long. But the bottom line is, it's been just over a week later. It's healed. It's healing. It's not fully finished healing, it. So. See, when I pull the brake, I have to kind of be gentle. God, boy. But it's not bleeding, so that's the good thing still. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, that's why I couldn't get some footage done. Oh, man, it's peak, man. Everything just keeps going wrong. But do you know what? Sometimes they say everything's for a reason, innit? Yeah, for some reason, the universe is like, mate, you are not going out today. Or this week rather. Do you get me? So it is what it is, isn't it? Can't fight against it. I tried to fight against it, and the universe has shut me down, mate. Parts my black ass up. You get me? So it's one of them, innit? I saw it go sometimes, you know. So yes, family, what you lot been up to? Any ride-outs, let me know. If anybody's filmed any ride-outs here, send me the links to them and I'll repost them, react to them, or whatever the case may be, innit? You know what I mean? And again, guys and girls, if you guys want to start making content, just do it, man. Do it intentionally, man. Don't be shy. Don't be scared of hearing your croaky, horrible voice. Because I hate the sound of mine, you know, believe it or not. But I've gotten used to hearing it now. Because even when I'm editing, I'm having to hear this rust bucket of my voice down the flipping headphones and all that. It's horrible, man. But you know what I mean? It is what it is. Right, can I squeeze up faster? Don't know, you know. Let's have a go, let's have a go, let's have a go. Yeah. Yeah. But yeah, man, there is beer on the covers. Beer in them. I didn't know there was so much up Coventry Road like this, man. It's crazy. But to be fair, it's nice and warm, you know, but it's also kind of windy, you know. But right now I'm baking. Really, if you're naughty, this is t-shirt. T-shirt when on a bike. But yeah, I say go chance it, man. You get me? Now one time when you decide to say, you know what, I ain't wearing the gear, man, it's too hot. Before you know it, you have a little 30-mile-an-hour drop. And it's peak for you. Skin gone. You get me? So try your best to always wear your gear, man. Even if you see me don't, you know, like that. Do as I say, not as I do. So we are approaching the 42 North. On this lorry, why am I though? Yeah. You know what? Go in front of that lorry, man, but ooh, roadkill. Fair, I feel like motorway riding it's boring, man. That's why people like the twisties. Absolutely boring. If you used to do a few hours on this, you'd probably drop asleep on the motorway stuff. You know what I'm saying? Yo, brother, you don't know about the 2-second gap, bro? Come on, man. Trying to show him some brake lights. Yeah, show him them, man. Get out of there. I don't know what is going on up here. Changed up all of this, man. What is it they're building here, fam? Let me know, man. Right. Come off, yeah. tell you the truth though, I'm not gonna lie. This bike, even though it's a sport, it's pretty comfortable to be on the motorway. Get me? I feel like when I change it, I'm gonna end up in a situation where it's turtle back settings. Do you know what I mean? I'm sure like the R6 and that, it kind of forces you to be like that. At least I can sit up, man. Thank you. Right. Seems to be a little bit congested around here. Or maybe it's because it's the national speed limit there. Come on. Hey, 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 hey. Mate, even lorries, trucks are overtaking, man, so ah 60. I think I need the toilet. This happens all the time. Come on, oh, wee wee. Ugh. Come on. Just chilling, billing. And we'll come off in the east of Brum. Let's do that, man. does it look like it's going to pee down with rain? Oh, well gone for that man. There we have it. Quick rundown the 42 slash M6 coming off in East Birmingham. Just a one quick junction settings. If you're new to the channel, don't forget like, share, comment and subscribe. Also become a member if you want to. You can donate to the PayPal if you want to. So yeah, we are